Building custom applications on Salesforce Platform. Introduction to Salesforce Platform. Salesforce Platform is a powerful cloud development platform that allows businesses to build, customize, and deploy applications quickly and efficiently. Development process for custom applications. Planning and analysis. Before diving into development, it's essential to clearly define your requirements and objectives for the custom application. Design and customization. Once you have a clear vision of the application, it's time to design the user interface and customize the functionality to meet your specific needs. Integration and customization. Integrate the custom application with your existing systems and customize it further to ensure seamless communication and data flow. Testing and deployment. Thoroughly test the custom application to ensure it meets your requirements and performs reliably. Enhancing business processes with custom features. By developing custom solutions on the Salesforce platform, you can create unique features that address your specific business needs and challenges. The importance of data management. Effective data management is essential for the success of your custom applications. Ensure that your custom applications adhere to best practices for data storage, security, and accessibility to maintain the integrity and reliability of your data. Conclusion. In conclusion, building custom applications on Salesforce Platform offers businesses a unique opportunity to tailor their technology solutions to meet their specific needs.